Hi there, Dee.
Hi, Paul.
It's nice to see you again.
Yes, it is very nice to see you too. Wow, we're still in the throes of doing our workshops, and we've got one coming up, an astrology one.
Yes, so they're extra special, these astrology classes, and I think you've got one which is called Soul Karma. Is that correct?
Yes, it's going to be on this Tuesday night in Australian Eastern Standard Time.
And it will be on UK morning time, won't it, on Tuesday?
That's right, and it's a change time, so it's 9 a.m. and it only goes on for 2 hours. But it's going to be really good in the sense that we're really going to be talking about your south and north nodes. And what this really illustrates, these little funny looking axis that's in your birth chart, is it denotes the past consciousness of your soul, which has a desire to want to evolve, it wants to change, it wants to experience new things. And it's not always easy to change, is it, Paul?
No, it's not always easy to change. You could perhaps live a life where you stay with that south node consciousness rather than growing and moving forward. And I think that's what's there for all of us. Do we grow and do we evolve and make positive steps in our evolution or not?
Yeah, and I mean, and a lot of the things is that the soul has a bit of a plan, to resolve a lot of the karmic loops that it may have, kind of like accumulated in lifetimes, which prevents this change. Maybe there's a lot of fears or resistance. And here with Soul Pathways, we really want to go really in depth to what could possibly be preventing you from living your best life. And astrology is a really good tool to get to know so much about yourself. So you're going to have to remind me, Paul, when this workshop is on.
Well, just to say that if you supply your birth details, if you're doing this for the first time, then Dee will prepare your birth chart. So she'll be able to read your birth chart with you as we go through different processes around the themes of the soul karma that she's going to be addressed. So yes, it's going to be on Tuesday, 7 till 9 in the evening for Australian Eastern Time, and from 9 in the morning till 11 in the morning for those of you in the UK.
And I just remember karma means action. And sometimes, our soul needs a little bit of a push to go ahead. And sometimes we keep repeating the same patterns, meeting the same people, just sometimes for support or sometimes as a reminder that we all need to grow and we all need change sometimes. So I do hope that you join us for this really good workshop.
Yes, that would be great. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Bye now.